the best VPNs out there today, and I'll be showing you how to use it like a post. Make sure to follow me up and stay tuned. Can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of a VPN application, and down here you may see auto. These are some protocols which you can select, but if you're just a newbie or you do not know anything about protocol, I recommend you let it stay on auto. Don't trouble everything there. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you have the premium option. This is where you go to subscribe to the premium subscription, and you can see here the prices and pretty much what you'll be missing out on if you don't purchase your premium subscription. So you can see here the offer of 7-day free trial, guys. So if you want to test out your premium subscription, you can do by getting the 7-day free trial. But after that, you're gonna start paying $12 a month. If it's a monthly subscription you're gonna go with, or the annual yearly subscription, whichever one you choose. So do make sure you sign in, however, so you do not lose a subscription and you don't have a problem. So in the me section here, nothing much, nothing complicated, just the security tool option, which these are pretty much for advanced users in the VPNs. If you're just a simple user that just want to browse, get connected to the VPN, go by a day, don't trouble anything here. But you have the password generator options here, which would not generate password for you, but you don't need that right now. And you have also some other tools which you can also check your IP, DNS looks on the connection. You can always check that out, but it will just redirect you to Chrome, so you don't have to worry about that. Also, you can see other devices that's logged in on your account. Using use on other device, you can see here, but you can also see and manage them as well. So that's it for that there. In the settings option, you have the stable connection feature. If you do enable that, do keep in mind it's gonna take a while to connect. So if you just want to get connected fast, go with the regular connection. So the split tunnel option here pretty much allows you to select whichever VPN gets, whichever application get the VPN connection. So if you don't want, let's say for example, WhatsApp to get VPN connection, then WhatsApp won't be getting your IP and so forth. So you have static IP, it pretty much explains itself there, and you have the fast connection for one of the cases. You have the kill switch, pretty much explains itself. You just tap on that, and as you can see there, you have the double VPN option as well, which I do think it's new here. As you can see here, two-layer protection. If you want to enable that feature, you can go ahead, and down here you have the appearance option, which is pretty much you enabling dark mode or light mode. So that's it for the settings. So to connect this VPN here is very simple. If I tap on the free server option, you can see all the free servers that are available. So not a lot of free servers, and as well you can see the ping of these free servers. And down here you can always go and ask them to add a server if you don't see a server that for your country or whatever cases. So over here you have the premium subscription server. So if you don't have a premium subscription, don't go over this side. So these are all, it won't show the server, but it usually would, but it won't for this. But these are all server that they offer. You can see here a lot of servers, guys, a lot of servers. So you're getting money's worth. Over here you have the video and gaming feature, pretty much streaming platforms as well, not just games and so forth, but streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, all of those streaming platforms, and games like PUBG, Call of Duty, all of those. So you're gonna see these servers within these locations. All of that is just up on the arrow icon here, and you will see each server the name under it for what it is been designated for. On the top here, you may see some PUBG server. You can try those as well. So for the free server now, because I don't got a subscription, you can even let it stay on this option here, which is free. The server automatically connect to you, to the best server, which I do recommend you guys to do. But if you just want to select something other than USA, because USA is the one connecting, then you can just pretty much start, let's say Germany, tap on Germany. Will take a while to connect. Once it's connected, pretty much good to go to browse online. We'll say connection request if it's your first time trying to connect. But once you tap on OK, we'll be connected in no time. So if I missed anything at all, you need help with anything related to this application, just comment below. Glad enough to help you guys. As always, you guys, make sure to subscribe my channel, the notification bell. We'll see you guys in the next one.